Hello folks, welcome back to another model kit review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Hobbyboss Ju-87 Stuka. This is a dive bomber from towards the end of World War II. This obviously being on the Axis side. It's most well known for its dive sirens and its unusual V-shaped wings. And I really like this aircraft, which is why I wanted it in my collection. The kit itself turned out really well. Those of you that know me, on my other model kit reviews, I reviewed a BF-110 by Hobbyboss, and their kit was really well. But I did note in their kit that the decals weren't as good. The decals on this are a lot better. They didn't tear very badly. They're really good. I didn't really build the cockpit canopy very well. Yeah, I'll need to fix that in the future maybe, but... And the prop on mine doesn't move. I know you can get the prop to move, but I don't know, I'm kind of against that, to be honest, because from my experience, they break off, so yeah, I'd rather just leave it stiff. But this kit is super easy to build, which is why I'd recommend it for beginners. Obviously, though, being Hobbyboss, their kits do come from China. I got mine from the UK, but this kit primarily comes from China, so that is something to note. If you are buying it, expect long delivery times. I think this kit is absolutely fantastic. It's not as detailed as some other kits, to be honest with you. Personally, that doesn't bother me. And if it doesn't bother you, I would definitely recommend this one. I got this one primarily because the Airfix version is a little bit expensive. This only cost about €8 actually, not 12, €8 this cost, so very cheap and money well spent because I think it's fantastic. Beautiful kit to build, and there's two ways you can build it. You can build it in a winter variant as well. I just built it in this sort of generic way, this generic patterns, and I think it turned out pretty well. Yeah, so that concludes my review of the dive bomber Ju-87 Stuka, or Junkers Ju-87 Stuka. If you like this aircraft, I would definitely recommend you build this one because it's absolutely fantastic. Alright, hopefully you like this short little review, and I'll see you all in the next review. Thank you for watching.